What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Chrome notifications in Android. We don't realize that we have signed up for the notifications and then we keep getting pop-up on our phone. In order to stop that, the first thing you need to do is open Chrome. From that, click on these small three dots. From here, click Settings. Under Settings, find Site Settings. And from Site Settings, open Notifications. Now here you will see list of all the websites for which we have allowed notifications. In order to block the notifications, just click on the website. Either remove it or block it altogether. If you remove it, you will again be asked if you'd like to sign up for the notifications of that website. But if you block it, you won't get those notifications again in your phone. So I hope guys this video was helpful to you. If yes, do give thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Bye bye, take care.